Hello, my dear students. I'm Pallavi Paul, the teacher of Techno India Group Public School. I welcome you all to the social science class. Today's topic is from class 5, chapter 9. The name of the chapter is Land of Hot Sands. Today you will learn about the transport of Saudi Arabia. Public transportation. Operated by the Saudi Public Transport Company, which is called as SAPTCO, the fleet consists of over 2,000 buses. So in Saudi Arabia, more than 2,000 buses are there. It carries annually more than 3 million passengers within large urban centers such as Riyadh, Jeddah, Dammam, Medina, Makkah, and to cities and towns across the whole country. So the buses takes the passenger to other cities of the whole country. So road structure is also very good over there. On the road only the buses are moving, right? So these are the important public transportation. Cars are there, then planes are there, trains are there, okay. Ships are also there. Today, the kingdom has a modern transportation network of roads, railroads, air, marine, and public transport. The country is also linked by a sophisticated communications network that serves as a basis for its economic growth and development. So nowadays the country is having modern transportation networks of road, railways, air, marine and public transport as well. Okay. Now you will learn about the air travel. The kingdom has 3 international airports, King Khalid International Airport in Riyadh, King Fahd International in Tehran and King Abdulaziz International Airport in Jeddah. So these are the 3 important international airports which can be found in Saudi Arabia. Marine transportation. Saudi Arabia has 21 large modern ports that facilitate industrial development. Okay. So Saudi Arabia has 21 ports. From the ports, so many ships can go from one place to another, and also in the ports they can do import and export business of goods also with other countries, and in the whole country as well, with other countries as well. Public transportation. The Saudi bus network provides affordable transport both within and between the kingdom cities. So in the kingdom cities, and also if you go to one city to another, public transportation bus network is very good in Saudi Arabia. Roads and railroads. Saudi Arabia has a comprehensive road network that comprises some 100,000 miles of roads, facilitating civilian travel and commerce as well. So they are having a lot of roads and railroads there, which is having a road and railroad network in the whole country. So Burj Khalifa is situated in Saudi Arabia, right? That is standing at a height of 2,722 feet in Dubai. Is the tallest man-made structure in the world. So what is the tallest man-made structure in the world? It is Burj Khalifa, which is situated in Dubai. So what is the height of it? It is 2,722 feet. There are 900 apartments in the building. In the Burj Khalifa, there are 900 apartments. So here you see, this is Burj Khalifa. At night it shows different type of lights. In the New Year, see, it's written Happy New Year. So the Burj Khalifa can have different type of lighting features also at night. In the daytime it looks like this, and see the second picture. In the night time it shows different type of lights. People from all over the world comes to Burj Khalifa to see this building. Now you will learn about the life of the people of Saudi Arabia. People in Saudi Arabia have to make do with oppressive climatic conditions like extreme variations in temperature in a single day and lack of rainfall. So people are also having very hard climate condition over there, because mostly in desert and it does not rain that much, so very temperature is very high, so they have to go through a very hard climatic conditions. Before the oil industries were set up, people led nomadic lives and reared goat, camel, sheep. These people are known as Bedouins. Over there, see the picture? This is the picture of Bedouin. They did not do how to do agriculture. They only reared the animals, and for the food of the animal, they used to leave or move from one place to another. They are known as Bedouins. Regardless of their racial origins, the people of Saudi Arabia have two common characteristics. What are the two common characteristics of the Saudi Arabia people? They speak Arabic and are of the Muslim faith. So they are having Muslim faith, and all the people of Saudi Arab speaks Arabic language. They are intensely proud people and have a deep respect for personal dignity and country, whilst their customs of generous hospitality are well known. So their customs and hospitality is very generous, which is known by the whole world, and they are very proud of their country and the people and their religion as well, which is Muslim. So this much today. I hope you understood this. Thank you so much, class. Read your book properly, read the topic properly, okay? So the people of Arab are Muslims, and Makkah and Medina is situated in Saudi Arabia as well. Okay, do not forget this. Burj Khalifa is the tallest man-made building which is situated in Saudi Arabia. Okay, read the topic properly from your book. Thank you so much, class.